show it to me.
X-O-X-O.
Let me see it.
You know what? It's a doll. You know what X-O-X-O is? You know what X-O and X-O is? Okay.
Show it to me.
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay, turn it around so I
X-O
can see
and
it.
X-O.
Well, get it back up a minute. Show it to me. Turn it so I can take a picture.
X-O-X-O. That's not I love you, Sydney. Oh. Hey.
Sydney, you want me to pull it out of the box?
Working me up.
Sydney, you want to give it to me and I'll take it out of the box for you?
Thank you.
Hey, what do you say?
Where's the
You
willow?
want to say thank you?
Hey.
Sydney, did you
I
say
put
thank
the
you?
boat.
Sydney, did you also? That's from Jackson and baby Sammy too.
This is from me. This is my car. See, Charlie on it. But XO. I love you, Sydney. The real present for you, the American Ghost. The American Ghost.
Where are you going?
You gonna open it?
Can you open it?
Yeah, I can.
What's in it?
What's in it? Can't see. Look! Oh, that's funny.
Now you have one too.
What's in it? What's the ballet outfit? Here's the pants. There's shoes in there too.
They're ballet shoes and a tutu.
And some pants. Hey, I want to look at those tutu. Hey, let's stay up. Where's mine? Oh.
Uncle Roger's helping you.
Oh,
Hey, show me what you got.
look.
You go.
I need
Cindy.
it, please.
Look at that. Isn't
It's
that
like
pretty?
mine. It's like mine, but it has dog on it.
Look, isn't that fun?
Hey, let's take her boots off. Look, I have boots on.
What is her name?